Okay, now, to summarize, I have moved all my transport stuff into something I call transport. I've ensured that my streets layer is named just street. And I have then just edited a couple of things, and I've put everything in a new geodatabase, and I've made it look cool. Okay, I would suggest you change the names because it's annoying. And I have just noticed that I forgot to delete that one. Let's just remove it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is if you go into the folders, wherever you've downloaded, I've moved this a bit, wherever you've downloaded anything, move it into the folders, okay? So under here, I've created a folder called Data, and that's the GTFS that I downloaded. I'll upload it so you can just plonk it in yourself. This is the network analyst stuff I got with ArcGIS Pro. These are the various shape files. And there is the actual geodatabase, and there's just the toolboxes it makes itself. So you've got all that sort of stuff under there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to create a network data set, but I'm going to do it using the Esri tutorial. So just let me pause a bit. Hey, just quickly, it says clip some layers. Now, I didn't clip layers, but you can do it by clipping as well. The reason I said clip layers, so say, for example, we put the MB in, or the CIFA. Is it just Gold Coast? Maybe I just left it to Gold Coast. Zoom to layer. I might have already clipped it. Oh, no, maybe not. Why is it not showing? Let's have a look, see if I've done weird things to it, and it is stuffed up there. You see, if you do too many weird things to things, fail to open table. Ooh, that's a bit weird. So let's just, if something like that happens, I'm showing this to you, just in case weird things happen, okay? So let's do from the main thing, we'll drag it onto the map. There we go. Let's just do a quick clip. Okay, so I want to clip CIFA FSA1, which is my main layer. I'm also going to delete this here because it was corrupted in some way. Just delete it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into analysis. We'll click on clip. Let's pop CIFA in, that one there. And we'll pop Gold Coast border. No, not that one. Gold Coast border. Let's just put it in the right layer. I want to put it into working layers. So I'm going to do this a bit slowly. And I'm going to call it Gold Coast. Okay, there we go. Run. So it's added another layer. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to drag it to my polygon. So you can see it's now Gold Coast. Excellent. You can also see that some of these points are in the wrong place. We can delete them later. We can select by location and delete ones. Well, let's just do it now. Okay. Select by location, because it's always good to practice things. Input points. Pop it in, intersect with the Gold Coast. Now you can actually create a new selection, but you can invert the spatial relationship. Let's go OK, and that's just actually selected points that are outside. But as you can see, something weird has happened. So what we might do, go over to the end, and there are points categories, and the ones that are selected, sorry, I'm supposed to be going to selection, attribute table. You can see that some are selected that aren't in the Gold Coast. I mean, that aren't outside the Gold Coast. And I actually want, and there's a way of doing this as well, which is cool. So I'm going to zoom into these ones. I'm going to go into selection. I'm going to click this drop down thing, put it back afterwards, okay, because otherwise it defaults this. It's annoying. Remove from the current selection. So I'm going to go okay, and I'm just going to go to my select. Ooh, let's just turn this off. And I'm going to go around that one, and go around those ones. And I've just got rid of them from my selection. Oh, that's another one there in Kumbaba somewhere. Okay, so I've got rid of all the ones in the Gold Coast, and I'm just going to delete all these selection ones that are not in the Gold Coast. I'm just going to delete them. Are you sure you're going to delete? Yes. And then save it.